Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Under the aegis of its institutional motto, Accompanying Dreams, Transforming Reality, every year the Bosco Social Foundation launches a campaign that aims to unify the message of the social platforms of the province, Spain, San Giacomo Maggiore, which is based in Madrid. The campaign is launched in January to have a year-round reach and effect through proposals, messages, initiatives, testimonials and projects. On Tuesday, January 19th, the Salesian work Don Bosco Boys Town based in Nairobi officially opened its 2021 academic year. It was also an opportunity to welcome first-year students who will have to get used to staying in what is not just a school but rather a Don Bosco house. The ceremony, which began at 8:15 a.m. local time, was enhanced by the presence of the acrobatic group Zamazuka, which entertained and challenged the students with his skills. First-year students were amazed at the emotion and surprise. In order to gather all the staff of the multiple projects of the Patio Incluyente model, inclusive courtyard, as well as to make the model known in its entirety and to share good practices, it was held in Ajijic state of Jalisco from 15th to 17th January under the coordination of the Office of Planning and Development PDO of the Province of Mexico Guadalajara MEG, the first provincial meeting of educators of the inclusive courtyard. From 15 to 21st January, 14 Salesian novices of the provinces of Belo Horizonte 1, Campo Grande 5 and Manoas 8 experienced with great depth and spirit of prayer the spirituality exercises in preparation for the first religious profession. The exercises were led by Don João Bosco of the province of Campo Grande. On the morning of January 24th, Don Timothy Choi Woncheol, Superior of the Salesian Province of South Korea KOR, presided over the ceremony during which 4 Salesians of Don Bosco issued their first religious profession. More than 100 people attended the conference in honor of Saint Francisco de Sales, organized through Zoom and Facebook by the Association of Salesian Cooperators, Don Bosco Basilica Center. The annual event, which has been taking place for more than 15 years, focused on the theme Fraternity in the Form of Life proposed by Saint Francis of Sales. Don Angel Prado, Superior of the Salesian Province of Central America CAM, spoke underlining the amiability of Saint Francis of Sales on the daily journey of life and fraternity as a form of life inspired by the values of the Gospel. Testimonials, training videos and Salesian missions were part of the conference program, which also highlighted the importance of spiritually preparing for the 400th anniversary of the death of Saint Francis de Sales, which will be celebrated in 2022. On January 23rd, in the parish sanctuary of Mary Health of Christians, Monsignor Salvador Cleofas Murguia Villalobos, SDB, Bishop of the Prelature of Mixes, Osaka, ordained the Salesian Ernesto Solis Perez a priest. Present at the ceremony were Father Ignacio Ocampo Uribe, Superior of the Salesian Province of Mexico City MEM, some Salesians and the parents of the new priest. The ceremony took place behind closed door in compliance with hygiene and health measures and was broadcast on social networks with wide participation of the public. A few days after the closure of the Salesian Family Spirituality Days 2021, held online for the first time, the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, speaks. This pandemic that is afflicting our humanity will end, but there are other chronic pandemics that as Christians we have a duty to help eradicate. Wars, mafias, hunger, poverty that is dehumanizing those forced to immigrate to give a future to their children and are tortured or die in the cold, youth unemployment. Here then is our task, whereas the Salesian family we are called to be present, to give hope and work for justice, to give more to those who have less, as Don Bosco recommends and Pope Francis reminds us. The Università Pontificia Salesiana, UPS academic community, is preparing to celebrate the university's patron saint. As the holiday coincides with Sunday this year, The academic celebration will take place on Monday, February 1st at Santa Maria della Hope Parish. The Mass will be chaired by Don Maria Arokiam Kanaga, Superior of the Salesian Pontifical University's Mary of Sapienza Visitor. It's possible to follow the celebration on the Facebook profile of the parish. The Association of Jesus Nazarene del de la Samparo and the Pastoral of Piety and Popular Religiosity part of the parish sector of the Salesian work Divine Providence, with the authorization of the pastor Father Louis Corral, held the patron saint celebration on the days of Kings in honor of the Immaculate Conception, the Virgin of the Kings, celebration that transcends since the 18th century. In the pandemic context by COVID-19, a spiritual and sacramental program was organized. The Eucharist was celebrated at 6 a.m., 7:30 in the morning, 12 noon and at 6 p.m. A visit was made of devoted faithful with the practice of biosecurity protocols endorsed by the Municipality of Guatemala and the Ministry of Health. All activities were broadcast with the support of the Jesus TV channel and its social networks, among other national media. The entire program ended with the intramural procession at 9:30 p.m. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.